Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create auto pivot adjust rigging. For that I have taken two skeleton chain or joint chain. The first one is with auto pivot adjust and the second one is without auto pivot adjust. If I select this controller, try to move and see, it is not affecting the top controller. See, select this one, try to move and see, it is not affecting the top controller. But if I select this one, it is affecting the top controller because this joint chain is rigged with auto pivot adjusting. So let's get started. Go to file, take a new scene, change modeling menu to rigging menu, go to front view, go to skeleton, create joint, create one joint here, press enter, another joint here, one here and another here, press enter. Now go to perspective view, move this joint here, type 3 on translate G. Now select this joint, slightly move up, again select this joint, shift select this joint, press P to parent this joint with this joint. Now select this joint, go to skeleton, open mirror joint option, edit, reset the setting, mirror across XY, mirror function, behavior, click mirror. Now again go to skeleton, create IK handle, click one here and another here, rename this one as left IK, again select the create IK handle tool, click one here and another here, rename this one right IK. Now go to curve and surfaces, take a nerve circle, scale the nerve circle slightly, press V and snap it to the left IK joint, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap it to this joint, rename this nerve circle as left leg controller and this one as right leg controller. These two controller, go to modify, click freeze transformation, take another nerve circle and scale it, press V to snap it to the top joint and rename this one as main controller. Go to modify, click freeze transformation, press Ctrl plus G to create a group and rename the group as main controller group. Again press Ctrl plus Z to create another group and rename the group as main group. Now select these two groups and lastly select the main controller. Go to modify, mesh transformation, click mesh pivot. Now see, all the pivot are here. Now go to create measure tool, select distance tool, press V to snap one here and another here, press enter. See, the distance is 6. Select the locator 1 and parent it to the left leg controller. Select the locator 2 and parent it to the right leg controller. Select the left IK and parent it to the left leg controller, right IK to the right leg controller. Now enlarge them and see. Select the right leg controller, try to move and see. Ctrl G to undo. Now select the left leg controller and the right leg controller and main controller group. Go to Windows, open node editor. Remove the shape node by clicking on this icon. Move this one here and also this one here. Press tab key on your keyboard, type plus, take plus minus average node. Click on this icon. This will enlarge your node. Now minimize your node editor. Select this one. Try to move and see it is moving along x-axis. That means translate x-axis. So connect translate x of your right leg controller to input 1D and left leg controller translate x to 1D1. And again press tab key, type multiply, take multiply and divide node and enlarge this one and connect output 1D to input 2Y. Here plus minus, select plus minus average node, minimize your node editor, open attribute editor, select operation average. Now select your distance dimension, open your node editor, click add selected node to graph, remove this node, select your distance dimension shape 1, click on this icon, this will enlarge your node. Again press tab key, type multiply, take multiply and divide node, click on this icon and connect distance to input 1x. Select your multiply divide to node, open attribute editor and type here 6 and operation change it to divide, and here on y type here 1. Again press tab key, type plus, take plus minus average node, click on this icon and connect output x to 1D1, output x to 1D and output y to 1D1. Select plus minus average to node and change operation to subtract. Again press tab key, type multiply, take multiply and divide node, click on this icon, enlarge your node and connect output 1D to input 1x. Again open attribute editor, type here -2, press enter and connect your output 1x to input 2x. Now select your main controller, open channel box or go to modify, click add attribute and type here auto adjust, data type select boolean, click OK. This will add your auto adjust attribute to the channel box. Now type here 1, this will turn on your auto adjust attribute. Click add selected node to graph, remove the shape node by clicking on this icon. Now select your main controller, click on this icon, this will enlarge your main controller node and connect auto adjust to your input 1x and input 1y and connect output of your multiply divide node 1x to output x to translate y and output y to translate x. As your joint is moving along translate x or x-axis. Now select your left leg controller, try to move and see. Ctrl G to undo. Now select your main controller, shift select your root joint, go to constraint, click parent constraint. This time select your left leg controller, try to move and see. It is affecting your main controller. Again open your node editor, select this multiply and divide node, open attribute editor, type here input -3. This time select your right leg controller, try to move and see. It is affecting your main controller. In this process, you can create auto adjust pivot rigging in Maya 2022. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.